Hello, and welcome as we take you on a tour of the best maintenance shop in the world, home of the best maintenance team in the world at Marshall Springs at Gayton West. Here we go in the field with Dustin.
Crikey, and welcome as I'm going to take you to the best maintenance team in all of Breed & Company. Come on, we're going to go onto a wild expedition. As we open up the den of our maintenance team, you are just swept away by the smell of hard work, dedication, and also maybe a little bit of Febreze and Old Spice. But as you open it, you can see all these tools, just a vast amount of tools all labeled. Please, Devin, take me through these labeled and easy to find tools.
Well, I'll take you through a couple. We got our toilet handles right here. We got our kitchen sink stoppers right here. We got what you need over here, Dustin.
Oh my gosh, I see you have overflow switches
Yes,
for
sir.
anything that's overflow.
We also have thermostats.
Thermostats. Crikey, all this stuff is just so labeled and just so easy to find. And just take a look. You can hear the echo with just this massive use of space for activities such as cartwheels and other maintenance stuff like cornhole, America's Sport. Oh man, what's this? Crikey, we got a maintenance supervisor doing something that's extra vital to our expedition here at Marshall Springs. He's doing inventory control. Tell me, what's some of the things that we need, Dustin?
Dry erase markers.
We need dry erase markers, crucial to Marshall Springs maintenance success. So we're gonna walk right over here. What's that smell? Do you smell burning? Not at Marshall Springs, because we have the fire cabinet. We have Gavin here, our fire expert. He spits fire. What's going on in this fire cabinet? Is there any flames in here?
We have gas.
Gas,
We have
oil,
everything else.
everything else.
You know what else we have?
A fire extinguisher
Worst comes
for
to
only the worst case scenarios. Oh, wait a second. I seem to have gotten something in my eye. Oh, I'm blinded. Is there anything? Oh.
Are you okay?
It got a little bit in my mouth, but it definitely cleaned out my eyes.
thing
I
we
can
have
see.
this.
Man, how did you know where that was? How do you know everything that we have in here, Tyler?
Well, it's a good thing we have the MSD book.
Oh my gosh, it takes us through the safety
Look at this.
and everything that's in
Oh my
all of our
God.
chemicals. Man, with this information, no one will ever get hurt in Marshall Springs again. Oh, perfect. Oh no, we have another injury. Well, thank the Lord we have a first aid kit with Tyler right on the mission, wrapping it up completely. But wait, shouldn't we have protective equipment for this? That's why we go over to Devin. Oh, with the latest in protective technology.
Don't forget your PPE.
Also stylish. Wait a second. Do you guys hear that? I believe someone is locked out. Oh no! Everyone tag! All right, we locked out and we tagged. Is there anything left
Guys,
to do?
that's not what they're talking about. Lock out, tag out.
Dang it.
Dustin Ellis, maintenance supervisor.
Devin Johnson, maintenance tech.
Tyler Phillips, maintenance tech.
Gavin Lomax, current tech.
DJ Powell, groundsman. William Hazelwood, groundsman.